So I wanted to show you guys how to do the baby hairs and also doing pin curls on her short hair. It's like I believe a 14 inch. And right now you see very wet scalp. But I'm gonna show you guys right now. We trying to figure out how we go position it. Being that this is a T frontal, so you part out the different areas you want the baby hairs. And then I pulled up all the hair being that short, tied down with an elastic band so that the lace will still melt in. I did the back curls first, and then I went back and doing the baby hairs.
That's so pretty hair. Look at the scalp, you guys. Do y'all see that? Okay. Look at the scalp. Look, get into it. Get into it. Okay. Yeah.
And then I use foam mousse, foam lotion, and I put it on my backhand. And then I do the baby hairs. Also, do not mind my hair whatsoever, being that I don't really do anything with it. So that is why it looks a hot mess. Don't mind it. But I just do the swoop effects, and you have to move fast and take your time at the same time. So I'm like in between. So I'm gonna do this side and then do the other side the same way. Okay, so we finished the baby hairs. Now I'm putting wrapping paper over her baby hairs, tying it up in the back. And also get your client to hold the front so that when you put on it towards the back, they don't like slip on their forehead, being that it's, the wrapping lotion or the foam lotion, whatever, won't cause it to slip down their face. But after I do this, I will start back finishing up pin curls with the Marcel, which you see I am doing right now. Pin curl the whole hair, and I didn't get this part of the recording when I used the large comb and brush it out, comb it out to the way we wanted it. I believe my storage ran out. Something happened, but this how it is. And then I'm taking out all the pins of her hair, and then that's when I did the large comb through. And this was the final. love you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I hope you guys enjoy the video and the information.